I have some problems with sleep apnea, and I have some problems with my bite, which has always been very deep. So I was concerned when I saw the actual procedure for putting veneers on, and that there's a lot of grinding and a lot of loss of what may be reasonably healthy tooth. My wife looked on the internet and found Dr. Muslin, and I read about it and looked at some of the videos, and I decided that's what I wanted to try so I could save as much of my real teeth material as possible. Last night when I slept, I could tell that I was able to breathe much more easily, especially with the appliances that I wear now when I sleep. Also, my wife mentioned that she thinks that I'm articulating better and speaking more clearly. And when I first went into this, it was hard to justify the money because it was a self-indulgence from an appearance standpoint. But the more I think about it and the more it's been explained to me, it's a real health issue. I feel like these teeth are going to last me a long time and be an improvement in my health.